Let's start with a simple question. Have you ever used the services of West LA Computer Expert? If yes, then you know the quality of their service. But have you ever thought about the impact of your experience? Sharing your experience can make a significant difference. Think about this. When you were looking for a computer expert in West LA, how did you find them? Most likely, you searched online and read reviews from previous customers. Those reviews helped you make an informed decision, right? Now, it's your turn to help others. By leaving a review on Yelp or Google Maps, you can help future clients make an informed decision. Your review will provide valuable insights about the services of West LA Computer Expert. But it's not just about helping others. Your feedback is crucial for West LA Computer Expert too. They value your opinion and want to know how they can improve. Your review can help them deliver even better service in the future. So why not take a few minutes to leave a review? It's a small act that can make a big difference. Remember, your voice matters, and your review can shape the future of West LA Computer Expert's service.